Good morning, everyone. So today I'm taking over my mom's videos. You can see in the back we have a load of mulch. I went out to Home Depot today for the last day of their sale. It was the 5 for $10 for the mulch bags. I believe they're 1.5 cubic feet a piece. And so we have about, I think it's 60 bags that we had. So I ran out of room in the back of my tail bed and I had to put the rest in the cab. The guys at Home Depot were really nice and helped me load it all in. And then I drove to church with it in there in the back of my truck. And then now we're back home. So we're about to get started unloading all this mulch and then putting it into our flower bed in the backyard. So stay tuned. We have 6 bags of mulch already. Now we just have to take this trip 10 more times and then we'll have it all lined up right here and we can start adding it to the flower bed. Okay y'all, so I got all 60 bags laid out along the flower beds. So in just a little bit here, I'll start unpacking each one and spreading them around, hopefully not squishing any of the little babies. Yesterday was a full garden day too, and we came out here and started planting all of these seedlings. We had so many from the milk jug method, and so we did like a little wave around, and it goes all around the garden. Some in the back go just straight that way. So it'd be kind of cool to see what they look like when they grow up. There was, I believe it was zinnias, and it was also white snapdragons. So it'll be pretty once they start blooming.
Savannah, what are you doing?
I took over your channel.
What? Oh my goodness.
I got mulch. Isn't this so nice?
This is beautiful.
I mean, you were just taking so long to get over here. So it's like, I'll just go ahead and, use this beautiful Sunday to start laying down some mulch.
Oh my goodness.
I got my helper here.
Oh, and Miss Winnie is here with us. She's doing better.
She's feeling a lot better. She gets out her stitches tomorrow.
Yay. Well, thank you so much for taking over my channel. Do you want me to take it back now?
Yeah, you can. It's a lot of responsibility.
All right, well, let's get going with this mulch because I think we've got our day cut out for us. Too bad we don't have like 5 other people to help us.
I know, our whole family.
I know. All right, Winnie, let's get started.
Yay.
You know what we could do is I could be on the ground spreading, and you can pour.
Okay.
Because we're going to need somebody with tedious down there.
Yeah. Ooh. Little baby spiders. It's really pretty. It says it's supposed to have like I think a 12-month guarantee of color, which will be nice because I know sometimes with mulch, especially whenever you get the black one, which we used to get a lot, that one always kind of gets sun bleached after a while.
Savannah was so sweet to do this today. She just decided that before church she was going to head over and pick up this mulch in her truck, and then she was going to bring it back and get started on mulching this Sunday afternoon. So she's always been a big helper. She's my second daughter, so I have 3 daughters. And when she was little, her big thing is she would always say, "I want to help you, Mama." And so she's always wanted to help me, and she's always been there helping me in the garden. She loves working in the garden. When she was a baby, I stayed at home with her for her first year, and we had a little riding lawnmower, and that was one of the things that she really enjoyed doing, was riding on a lawnmower with me. So I think she just started loving being outdoors from a very young age. So every house that we've lived in, she's always helped me with the garden. And then in 2020, when we were all stuck at home, we were living in her and her big sister Joy's townhouse, and we decided to put in a garden in the backyard. So it was a lot of fun, and the girls learned about gardening and about planting vegetables and having to deal with the different pests that were in the garden. We were gardening in Norfolk, Virginia, so there were these rats that were coming into the garden that we had to deal with, and other critters. So needless to say, it was a fun learning experience. But she's always been my big helper, and I really enjoy her helping me in the garden. So it was a very sweet thing for her to do today. So we planted a line of zinnias, and these are the floret mix. And then we planted a wave of white snapdragons. And then we planted, scattered throughout, the white marigolds. And we grew all of these from seed. So I moved this chrysanthemum. This is one that had wintered over. We put here in the back. We added a little impatient here, and this was a little piece of ornamental oregano that had broken off that we re-rooted. And we've been using the slug and bug killer, hopefully to keep the slugs from eating our hostas here. And then we added another impatient, and then like a little drift of impatiens here, and then a columbine, the other chrysanthemum that we wintered over, and then 2 more of the impatiens. And we also moved the lungwort over here to this bed, because when it was over in this bed, it was right there. I thought it would be enough shade, but it was not enough shade for it. But it's been here for a couple of days, and it is doing much better. It was really suffering in the sun. Okay guys, so we are all finished with the mulching project. I know Savannah stole my channel today, but do you know what she did? She helped me about halfway through, and then she left and went to the beach with her friend. But I'm happy for her. And then I had reinforcements come in, and my husband helped me finish the job. So let me take you and show you what everything looks like. This is the before. And this is the after. So we got all of our new cottage garden mulched. We used one of the brown mulch that they have at Home Depot, and it was a very big job. We got 60 bags of mulch, and I think we ended up having, what it was like, 4 or 5 left over. Look how good. Looks so fresh and so clean. And we did another one of our ADHD gardening moves. We got this far, and then we gave out a steam, and then we started mulching. So we actually just have 6 bags left. So out of 60, we use 54 bags. Good thing that it was on sale. Look how good this looks, guys. Oh my goodness. It looks so much better. Thank you guys so much for gardening with me today, and thank you to Savannah for taking over my channel this morning and for getting all this beautiful mulch for us. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you have a chance to get in your garden today. Bye, friends.